Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. That's cool.
What's up, bro?
How you doing, sir?
Good, man.
Wow. This is nice.
Thanks, man.
Y'all built this.
Yeah.
Good job. Wow.
Thanks, man.
Could you tell me before demo what all's in here, info and everything?
I got one V2 M1U. It's a 10K. I got two with an old school Stinger 220s up front. Two North Star 480s. Yeah, that's pretty much it, boss. I got 6 of the Death Bonce Apocalypse. Those are 275s.
275s. Okay.
And the 6 order is like a 1.75 to 1. I got the rear tuned to 27, and the front is at like close to 50. 50. I haven't ever metered or anything. I really just got finished, and we're still under construction.
Okay.
So I'm gonna give you a demo, but
big V2 audio.
Yeah.
Wow. What is this wired to?
I got it at 1.3 right now.
1.3. Okay. How's your voltage and electrical?
I gotta work on it. Man.
Work on it.
Yeah.
Work improvement. Okay. All right.
Under construction.
Yes, sir.
I've been feeling so down when I lay down but in my manners, if I end fell out the bar. And in that courage, look where my blurry. Oh.
One more. Same song, but lower frequency.
Lower frequency. Still learning your system.
Yeah.
you don't hear any distortion, you don't hear anything breaking out.
Yeah,
It's
man.
perfect, man. Nice job.
No smell
Really
either,
great.
bro.
No, man. Are they breaking in or are they broken?
They break it in.
They break it in?
Second day I had them.
Really? Okay. Wow. As you break them in, they'll probably play a little lower
I
too.
hope so.
Oh yeah.
I hope so.
For sure, they will. That's most subs.
Yeah,
Anyway,
man.
nice to meet you, man.
Tyrell.
Yes, sir. 27 Customs.
Yeah, man. That's
All
us.
right. What was your name?
Terrell.
Terrell. All right. Thanks, Tyrell.
Appreciate you, man.
Nice doors too, man. This is unique.
Thanks, man. Basement problem.
That is clean.
Always.
Can I see the ants? Where's the ant? It's all there. There's nothing back there. Okay, just wanted to make sure. Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.